Hello everyone, once again welcome in our Day 20 Self-Transformation series. Yes, my dear friends, you all are once again welcome in the series where you are transforming yourself, wherein you are just doing a bit of listening to this thought and listening it deeply, and then just focusing on each and everything you have heard for a few minutes and then just leaving it. See, my dear friends, it's so simple. Otherwise, we used to think that to do anything, there is lots of effort required. We have to change the way we are living. We have to be something different. But frankly speaking, friends, in this self-transformation series, the things will work gradually. We often used to say that when a student is there in the class, if the student pays 80% attention in the class, then maximum number the child can secure. Same way, if you just pay full attention, full concentration to the words or message you are getting from this series, and just at that very moment of few minutes you dedicate to this series, and then just throughout the day leave it, I'm pretty sure your own thought process is going to change. And you will be the role model for others, as there will be a drastic change in you by just listening and imbibing few things, whatever you feel is good for you. So in the series, we oftenly discuss a small thing in a very elaborated way, so that by various examples, by various situations, you come to know it in more detail. And when you come in the same situation again, then the things are different and you can face them and you can do it a remarkable change in your way of thinking. So my dear friends, welcome once again in Day 20 of Self-Transformation series. So let's start with the topic. The topic today which we have selected is I am the lighthouse. Yes, I am the lighthouse. So first of all, we will think, what is a lighthouse? So let's go back when we were a little child, or in our childhood memories, we have all drawn the lighthouse, and the big lighthouse with the light coming and spreading all around. We all might have drawn so many times. Now, what was the role of that lighthouse? The lighthouse, if we see in detail in today's life of transformation, the light, wherever the light spread, there is no darkness. Wherever the light spread, the things are more clear and clear. Wherever the light is, there is no hurdle. So now, why I have to become a lighthouse? And how can I become a lighthouse? And if I will become a lighthouse, what is the change which I will see? So let's go in detail now. Now we have a picture of a lighthouse. Now, see my dear friends, in today's time, if you forget about yourself for a minute, for a second, and see around you, in your family, in your friend circle, or wherever you work, or wherever you stay, every other person is physically or mentally disturbed. Every other person is looking for what? Every other person is looking for love, for happiness, for peace, for bliss, for knowledge, for purity, for power, and so many other things. And since the person is looking for that, so my dear friends, now what to do in this situation? So when we see that around us there are so many who are disturbed, who are not well, so are we the one who will be added one more in this category? Are we the one who will be taking others out from that category? Now it's up to us. So that's the way the topic is, I am the lighthouse. Now how can I be the lighthouse? Lighthouse, if we see, the lighthouse have power of light. Here, the power of light which will be in me and which I will be spreading to others will be built by two main qualities, that is love and cooperation. Yes, my dear friends, these two words seems to be, you have heard so many times, but now we will be taking it in a different way. Why I should love others when they are not loving me? Why I should cooperate others when they are not cooperating? The answer to this is, if we recall the history, if we recall all the great people, they have always loved endlessly, selflessly. And in today's time, they all are being called and they all have been in our memories because of that. So, my dear friends, if we take that as an example, that and keep these examples in mind of Mother Teresa, of Jesus Christ, of any great personality, Swami Vivekananda, whomsoever we can recall, they were great because they love and cooperate others selflessly. Why can't we? Or we are ones that, okay, what they have achieved in today's time, nobody actually think about them at that time also. But my dear friends, if we can take this feeling that yes, I am loving, I am cooperating because I am the child of that great, great, great Supreme. I am the child of that great, great, great Supreme. Then, my dear friends, the things will be really, really better. The things will be very, very clear. And so, the easy way out to do the thing is that love and cooperate others selflessly. And you know, my dear friends, when you do this, you will definitely receive the power. You will be very, very light. Light here, I mean lightness in physical and mental form. You will experience that light. And when you will be light, then only you will spread this light to others. Since that God, that Supreme is with us, He is the ocean of love. He is the ocean of cooperation. He is the ocean of power. So, I am the same as I am the child of that God. That this particular thought, when merged in your mind, will definitely make you the person who always think about the benefit of others or about each and every person who is in contact with you. So, my dear friends, be a lighthouse to show the path to every other soul, to every other energy. And be the lighthouse of all the powers. Now you must be wondering which powers we are talking about. The powers is give the light to others as power to face. At times the people, they are not able to face the situation. Give them the power that yes, you can do them. Yes, you can do it. By this motivation, they will definitely do it. Power to adjust. Give them this simple words of yours that yes, I have also adjusted in this way, you can also tolerate. So all these powers, like power to tolerate, power to adjust, power to discriminate, power to judge, power to face, power to cooperate, power to love, these all you can give as a light. My dear friends, in a lighthouse there is only one light, but in your lighthouse there will be ample of lights. There will be so many lights which will be differing at different situations. At times the person who is coming in contact with you needs the power of love. You are giving that power of love to that person. If anybody needs the power of cooperation, you are giving the power of cooperation. You are judging the other person as per the situation, and then you are giving the same power. So my dear friends, just explore these powers within you. Spread it out like a light to others. Feel that lightness in your mind and body and see the drastic change in your personality. So, grab this opportunity to be a lighthouse and see the miracle happening in your life. Thank you so much for being a part of this series and connecting with us. I would just like to brief you in the end that go to the description box. Something is waiting for you. Fill that form and be the part of this series forever and ever. And not try to forget that to comment in the comment box after this, that what you are feeling after having this thought to be a lighthouse. Thank you. See you tomorrow with a new thought. Till then, thank you.